So hi guys, welcome back to another video. It feels like a long time since I've said that, but yeah, I'm about to head down to Maxton Design because they've just moved over to Leeds and they've got a new fitting bay inside their new unit. So I'm off to go get a splitter fitted, which they're very kindly giving me for free. So I'm going to do this whole behind the scenes video of them fitting it, showing you how easy it is to get it all done. And I've literally just washed the car and I'm praying that it doesn't rain because it's forecast to, so I want to get down there as soon as possible. So yeah, let's go. I've just pulled up to Maxton Design now, as you can see at the new unit here in Leeds, and it's absolutely huge. The new unit is actually really nice as well inside. I'll kind of show you a little bit around when we get inside. It started to spit, obviously, which is inevitable after you clean the car. So I'm going to put some nice cinematics in this video, basically just talk around the whole process. Maybe get them guys to talk about it, say like what they do when it arrives and things like that, you know, to basically show people, because not that many people know about this place and know that you can actually get it fitted here now. So yeah, I'm gonna quickly clean it and we'll get it inside and we'll get on with fitting the splitter. Just got it lifted up on the ramp at the moment and we're just checking for any other holes or wires that may be underneath, because when it gets fitted properly you don't obviously want to drill through to anything. So the stand's pretty cool actually. It's nice that you can move it around, isn't it? You know, so you don't have to keep a car in one place all the time, and for like the different sizes and stuff. But yeah, I've taken the front reg off now so it's all nice and smooth. But yeah, I'll show you the actual splitter itself. This is the, I think it's the V4 that we're going for. Kind of like this one because it's got the fins at the side. This is the new design as well. So yeah, it looks pretty cool. I'll get a better shot of it when, well, just before it goes on. But yeah, it's well underway. So this part's literally just measuring to see the fitment of it. See whereabouts it goes and everything like that. Yeah, I like how it comes up here. I like this bit of the design.
Yeah, definitely.
So we're going to go through now how we've just measured it up and what the next bit of the process is.
So basically you've got your 4 self-tappers to hold it up.
Yep.
And then basically I use a pen and just mark up spots where you'd be able to drill all the way around. And then once I've drilled, you can then just take this off, go through with a bigger drill bit on these spots that you've done already, take it off. Then your next part is to drill your actual splitter.
Seeing it on at the moment, it looks so much better, even though it's just being measured up at the moment and not really properly fitted, but you can kind of get a bit of an idea. But yeah, it looks good. I'm pleased with it. I like how the fins come up. I think that's probably one of my favourite parts about it. And it follows the same design as the one that I had last time with these here, although they were a little bit further out last time when it got fitted. But yeah, we're just, like I say, removing it. It's all measured up, all marked, so that we can then put it in, put all the screws and all the bolts in so it's fit really snug and tight, so it won't ever fall off.
So now it's all drilled with a 6.5mm. You take this down and then you go through with the 9.5, and then we can rivet in all the holes where they are now. So now we've drilled the 9.5 into the bumper, so you get your rivet This goes up into the bumper, tighten it down so it's nice and tight.
This is also the first time I've seen underneath the car properly, and it's not actually too bad. I thought it would have been a bit worse than this, to be honest. All the bolts are now fitted in, as you can see. So there's literally no way that they're going to let anything slide or fall out or anything like that. So yeah, that'll be protected for speeds and wind as well. Yeah, look, there's absolutely loads of bolts in there. There's no way that that's coming out.
Now we drill these to make them bigger, so then we can put one of these underneath and the screw through to hold it in place. Yeah. But as you drill through this, we do it to about 16, 17. That's why we put black marks, just know, so we know where to stop basically.
Yeah. So all the holes are in the front splitter now, ready for it to just go back onto the car. If it focuses in there, you can see. Yeah, so this diffuser bit is my doing. I take this up wrong, and I think I was a bit too excited when I first did it that I just set off straight away without actually having it clamped so that it would properly fit down. But yeah, so we're just going to sort that out so that it doesn't hang a little bit lower. I don't know whether we're going to take it off and then do it, but yeah, that's the next step. But yeah, I'm buzzing with that. And I like how the fins fit these bits that go up here as well, so it all flows really nicely all the way across. So we were just talking about the side skirts and how when I was purchasing the whole kit before, I wanted the 7.5 ones because when it came all the way across, it finned up like this. But unfortunately, the fitment on the 7 and 7.5 was different. So I opted to just go and test it out with them ones, which I put on it first. But as we were talking about it, they've said, and very kindly, let me have a set of full side skirts because this is the new version that have the fins on them for the Mark 7. So yeah, I'm buzzing with that. So we're going to fit that on afterwards, and I'll show you what the progress is on the diffuser. So we've just cleaned it up, and because when I fit it, I forgot to properly stick the 3M tape up here and like have it held, so it'd kind of come off. It was all fit properly. I managed to do a really good job of this bit, but yeah, on here it just wasn't sticking right. So as you can see, we've removed it off and it looks so plain at the moment without anything on it. But yeah, we've just like put, I don't know, I think it said primer, 3M primer on the actual diffuser that's on it already. And then once we've got all the tape off of the other ones and then off of the sides and stuff like that, we're going to stick it back on and it should fit a lot better. They were saying about the other diffuser because they've got another one which kind of just sticks over the top, that's got like 3 slats coming down, but it's like more of an OEM plus one. But I think for the actual kit and like the aggressiveness of it, especially with the side like skirts now with the fins, I think that back one will look a lot better. It looks so weird without the diffuser on it. It just looks so like, I don't know, boring. So we've just taken off the previous side skirt things, like, well, half with the fins. Just getting all the sides prepped now and cleaned so that they fit on. Yeah, it's going to look sick. Oh, the diffuser's back on as well. Put all the bolts back in and it's fully secure. And I've just realised that it'll be a full Maxton kit now. Diffuser, spoiler, side skirts when they're on, and then the new splitter. So the same as what we did with the front, we're just testing the fitment at the moment, seeing where it all lines up, making sure it lines up and everything. Stick a little bit better.
Yeah, just to make your 3M tape just a bit more sticky, like you're saying. We're measuring once we've stuck it on to make sure that this fin is the same on the other side.
Yep, so they measure up the same.
Now self-tappers.
as you can see behind me, the car is now finished. We've got the splitter on, the side skirts on, and the diffuser is on properly, even though my half bodge jobbed it before, but yeah, that's all on perfectly, and I'm so grateful to the guys here at Maxton Design for the front splitter and the side skirts and just fitting it as well. It's been a really good day. I hope you've got everything that you need to know, and you all come down here to go get your parts fitted, because literally it's so quick, it's so easy for them to come and fit the parts. So yeah, I'll show you a quick walk around of it. This is the new splitter. I'll put the product codes and all the links in the description as well, but yeah, this is the new splitter. I went with this one because it gets the fin that goes up here, and you've got like the little designs, and down there you've got like the little aero bits as well. We've got the full side skirts put on, and as you can see, there's a nice fin up there. Going around, I already have the spoiler extension and the diffuser on it, and yeah, fitted properly now. As you can see, it's all tucked in nicely on there. And then, yeah, around the other side. I've done some nice cinematics for you. So yeah, I'll cut to them and then we'll take it outside and get some photos. Let's go.